YouTube, what's up? Another episode of ZFK Talks. I think it's the sixth one. Merry Christmas Eve, or Happy Holidays, whatever floats your boat. Here at Blue Mountain in Collingwood, Ontario, I want to talk about being the source of your own fun and being that unlimited source of good energy from within. So yeah, I'm here by myself, just having some zen time, some woosah. I picked up skiing early 2020 up here, and then I also made it out to Holiday Valley in New York State. Really just fell in love with it really quick, and basically, I guess you could say I'm addicted. I spent a bunch of money over the summer to make sure that this could be a thing for the winter and be cost effective, and that's buying your own gear and getting a season's pass and whatnot. And much to my distaste, Ontario is going on lockdown on Boxing Day. We just got this news, with only a week's notice. I think, about a week's notice. And yeah, it just kind of rocked me. I had a really rough week leading up to the lockdown announcement. Sometimes I think I have it hard, and things are tough. But really, when I say having a rough week, I had a great opportunity. I executed. Very thankful for the opportunity to work on what I did. But I basically did a 3-minute and 15-second music video mashup for 2020 for Mini Pop Kids. Those of you from Canada definitely know who that is. They're run by Walmart. Good friend of mine, Brent Core, shot the job and needed an editor, so they called me. Put in over 30 hours in 6 days in front of the computer, so you can only imagine the effect on your mental health that takes. And really the only thing I had time to do was once a day. I went to the gym for about an hour. Just to blow off some steam, and that was about it. Other than that, sitting in front of the computer for hours. So yeah, with things being the way they are, there's a capacity on the hill now. Blue was booked straight through up until this lockdown, so I really didn't have any opportunity to bring anybody with me. So just fuck it. I said fuck it, I'm going by myself, and gonna have a good time. I've been vibing, just chilling. Stayed in Brampton the one night for cheap, and then came up here, stayed the night last night. And if it weren't for it being Christmas tomorrow, I'd probably stay right up until lockdown. This is my thing. I don't have many things I like to do in the winter, even though I'm a Canadian boy. Never been a fan of the cold, but God bless, I found the one thing I like. Very thankful. So yeah, just want to talk about being the source of your own fun, and just maintaining a positive headspace and mind space, and how that really goes a long way in life. Really, it's just, I think it's two things. It's just always having your chin up, and despite the challenges that life throws at you, you have to always keep a positive mindset. And really, I think it's a skill in life to essentially learn how to frame things in ways that benefit and favor you, and essentially learn how to shift your perspective and outlook on things. Any negative in life that happens to you, no matter how bad it seems, there's a reason why it happened, and there's a lesson to be drawn from it. And what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. It's facts. Another thing too is, like, just coming up here by myself might seem a little unorthodox, but I don't do things for other people. I do things for myself, because really at the end of the day, that's the only person that's going to be here for me. So doing little trips like this just to refresh and declutter my brain and do something that I like to do, despite what anyone might think about it, or that type of thing. Like it's a little unorthodox to come up here for a 2.5-day trip by yourself, 3 hours away from home, but enjoying it, well worth it. But yeah, so this is going to be a short one. I really didn't plan to do this video. I wish I had brought the drone up. I would have got some cool aerial hyperlapse type video. Missed opportunity, but that's okay. I managed to do pretty good with my GoPro and just my phone. But yeah, really, I guess the lesson I was thinking of when I came up here, I was thinking like, yeah, it's a little lame I'm coming up by myself, but you know, I'm doing this for me. You just have to, over time, practice this positive mindset and taking your perspective and always framing it the best way you can, despite how negative a situation is. And really, that will allow you to be that positive person in other people's lives. A lot of people do depend on others to fulfill their happiness and give them a good vibe. And then it's really just two different kinds of people. It's people that need others to be happy, and it's people that are happy from within. So it's actually called the law of attraction. I would love to make a video on this sometime because I'm a firm believer. But just that ability to have that aura and that vibe to yourself that others can feel and see. It's comforting to others. It makes other people want to be around you, makes people laugh. You know, people's walls will come down when you show them that you're someone that they can be comfortable around and have a good time with. And that goes for business, friends, chicks, you know, you name it. So really, it's just that law of attraction. When you put out good aura and good vibes and good thoughts in your head, and even if you want to go further, put out good vibes on your social media, it's a great thing. It changes your life, you know, in a relatively short amount of time. It does take some practice, because it's not like, if you're trying to do this, if you're trying really hard, it almost is counterintuitive. You just have to practice it in small increments over time until that becomes you. If that makes any sense. Is that sinking in? It has to become you. You have to be the source of positivity in other people's lives. People will gravitate to you, and being that person is really something special. Keeps you busy, socially at least. I think that's really all I wanted to say. As always, I have a little note down here. I don't have my usual sticky notes. I've got a napkin that's melting in the snow as we speak. But yeah, I guess that wraps it up. Stay true to yourself. Always take care of yourself and have fun, even if it is by yourself. And just continue to keep that positive, fresh mindset. You know, just, it really is something that works mysteriously. When you manifest happiness in your life and ambition, and you only put out positive vibes out there, even in times when you know someone's wrong per se. No, that makes no sense. This is what happens when we don't plan a vlog very well. But you know what I'm saying. Just be you, be happy, be that person that other people want to be around, and you will see how quickly your life changes. Look how beautiful it is here. It's a very, very blue night at Blue Mountain. Anyways, take care, guys. Have a Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever it is you're doing. This might be my most half-assed vlog so far, but you know what? I don't regret it. I am happy to just chill here on the slopes, have a good time, and make a little video. Stay safe, take care. If you like my content, as always, feel free to share, subscribe, comment, like, whatever you want to do. It helps me out. Enjoy your holidays, guys, and happy skiing.